Building your email list is a great way to connect with your audience. It allows you to share your company's latest news and product releases, generate leads, and increase sales. If you are not actively attempting to grow your email list, you may be missing out on potential sales and overall growth. According to one stat, 81% of small to medium-sized businesses rely on email as their primary way of acquiring new customers. Today, we'll have a look at a few different ways that you can start growing your email list. And before we get started, be sure to hit that subscribe button for more email marketing tips and tutorials. All right, so let's get into it. Number 1, add a pop-up form to your website. If someone is taking the time to visit your website, clearly they're interested in what your company has to offer, whether that be a product or useful information. Don't miss out on an opportunity to further your relationship with your visitor and invite them to subscribe to your email newsletter. Number 2, encourage your subscribers to share your emails. Include share buttons at the bottom of your email campaigns and encourage your subscribers to share your content with their family and friends. After all, 81% of consumers trust the advice and recommendations of their friends and family over that of a business's. Number 3, create a lead generation offer. Create something that you know your audience will find useful and give it to them for free in exchange for their contact information. We've all signed up to an email newsletter in order to receive something for free. Think free ebooks, printables, online courses, and more. Number 4, ask for feedback. Encourage your website visitors and social media followers to fill out a form and provide feedback. People love to share their opinions and thoughts, and a simple comment box, along with a request for their email address, of course, works great for that. Number 5, include multiple CTAs or call to actions across all of your platforms. Don't expect people to magically stumble upon an email sign-up page on your website. Include links to your sign-up page all over the place, whether that be in the footer of your website, plugged into your blog content, kind of amongst all of the copy, in your social media bios, and so on. Number 6, advertise exclusive content. A great way to get people to sign up for your email newsletter is to have your email content include something unique. Advertise that your emails will consist of material that is exclusive to your readers. Perhaps a sneak peek at new products, exclusive deals, or special early bird access to events. Number 7, set up an automated welcome email. Now, this is more of a retention thing. When you set up an automated welcome email, you're kicking things off with your customer. Let them know how special it is to be a part of this email list and give them an idea of what's to come. Building a solid relationship with your subscriber from the start will help decrease the likelihood that they will unsubscribe in the future. And besides, welcome emails have an extremely high open rate and generate, on average, up to 320% more revenue than a regular email. If you've never done this before, definitely check out our MailChimp tutorial on how to set up an automated welcome email. Number 8, collect email addresses at the point of purchase. If you are selling a product or service, a great time to collect email addresses is when you are making a sale. Ask your customers if they'd like to give an email address so that you can notify them of special offers. You can do this by placing a checkbox near the Buy or Checkout button in their shopping cart. And be sure to pre-select that checkbox. This will increase the number of people who sign up to your email list. Number 9, run a contest. By running a contest, you can spend a minimal amount on a prize and it will be well worth it. Think about it. You could award a $50 gift card to the winner and end up with hundreds of email addresses that you can then specifically market to in the future. Number 10, offer a discount. Who doesn't love a discount? A great way to grow your email list is to ask for email addresses and offer a special promo code in return. That is it for our list. Did we miss anything? Be sure to leave your ideas in the comments and share your tips with others. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more email marketing tips and tutorials.